How to switch accounts on WhatsApp in iPhone. So first of all, you want to go to your WhatsApp app and click the bottom right hand corner where it says You. That'll bring up this page here where you have your profile settings. There you'll want to click next to your name where it has the plus icon with a circle in it. That will bring up this account section here. You'll be able to click on plus the add account. There you'll be able to click agree and continue. Type in your WhatsApp phone number, your account details there. Then once you've done that, you can go through and add that account. You can also go into the account section on the You page here, then click on add account. There you'll be able to see all the accounts you've added. You can do 2, 3, 4, however many you want to within this section here. You can switch between them, go back and forth. If for whatever reason this doesn't work for you, what you can do is sign out or delete your account, your WhatsApp account. Then you'll be able to re-sign in again and do it like that. There's a few different options, but leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.